Quick guide: find your wireless speaker's model name and serial number. How can I find my Sony wireless speaker's model name and serial number? The 7-digit serial number and model name can usually be found on the original packaging of your product. Depending on your wireless speaker model, you can find the model name and serial number either on the bottom of the speaker or inside a covered compartment. For SRS XB100 and other similar models, the model name and 7-digit serial number can be found at the bottom of the speaker. For SRS, ULT10 and other similar models, the 7-digit serial number can be found near the USB charging port, and the model name can be found in the USB charging port cover. For wireless speakers like the SRS XB500, the model name and the 7-digit serial number can be found on the sticker at the back of the product. Some of our products have model names that start with YY followed by 4 digits. These models have dual model names. To easily find support information or register your product, please use the model name that begins with SRS. If you are unable to find model name that begin with SRS, use the model code that begins with YY to find the model name that begins with SRS in this chart above. If you have other types of wireless speakers or require further assistance, please visit our Sony support website. To receive firmware update notification and access to your product information easily, check out our Support by Sony app. Thank you for watching.